Welcome to the WaveLinx LITE line voltage dual tech occupancy sensor installation video.
The WaveLinx LITE dual technology ceiling sensor, or OCS L, is available in line voltage or low voltage versions. In this video, we are going to look at the line voltage version, which is available in 3 coverage patterns: 600 square foot, 1200 square foot, and 2000 square foot. All 3 have the same form factor and can be mounted at heights of 12 feet. So what's in the box? On top, you'll find instructions. Then the occupancy sensor. This sensor features on-off control of fixtures without the need of using a separate switch pack. The model number is on the back of the unit. In the box, you'll also find a trim ring for mounting this sensor to a back box. With the cover removed, you can get to the factory reset button when held for 5 seconds. The unit factory resets. We also see the photo cell, the dual tech occupancy sensor, and the LED indicators that tells us if the sensor is seeing movement. OCS backbox installation. After marking the center of the tile and knocking out the hole in the center of the backbox, use the backbox as a template to cut out the tile. The backbox used is a 4-inch octagon that needs to be at least 2 1/8 inch deep. At the back box, you should have a neutral and switch leg on the load side and a neutral and hot on the line side. If tile is being used, install the tile before wiring the sensor. Next, remove the metal adapter plate from the plastic trim ring by unsnapping it. Then mount the metal adapter plate to the back box, and don't over-tighten. Before wiring the OCS sensor, install the trim ring to the mounting bracket. OCS L sensor wiring. First, connect the white neutral from the line to the white neutral of the sensor. Then connect the neutral from the load as well. If the OCS sensor is not directly controlling a load and, for example, is controlling a remote switch pack, the blue load wire can be capped off. But because this sensor is going to control the load directly, next we connect the blue wire from the sensor to the black load wire from the fixture. Connect the black line from the source of power to the black line of the OCS sensor. Finally, insert the OCS sensor into the mounting bracket with the trim ring. With the sensor powered up, the load will turn on. The LEDs on the OCS L blink green and then blue out of box, indicating the sensor is a WaveLinx LITE sensor that has not been provisioned. If the OCS L sensor needs to be factory reset, remove the sensor's faceplate. Then press and hold the factory reset button for 5 seconds. The sensor will blink yellow for a few seconds while factory resetting. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.